Hey everyone, welcome to Nambadar TV. I am your host Naveed Ahmed. Today, All Pakistan Nambadar Association Registered is a legitimate organization with a registered trademark and copyright. Any unauthorized use of its name and trademark is illegal and a violation of copyright laws. It has come to our attention that some individuals are illegally using the name of All Pakistan Nambadar Association. This unauthorized use of our name is not only misleading, but also damaging to our reputation and the trust we have built over the years. The All Pakistan Nambadar Association has always been committed to upholding the highest standards of integrity and transparency. However, these recent activities have raised serious concerns. These individuals are opening offices and conducting activities without any permission or authorization from the association. They are misleading the public and potentially engaging in fraudulent activities under our name. This not only undermines the credibility of our organization, but also puts the public at risk. We urge everyone to be vigilant and report any suspicious activities to the authorities immediately. This is a serious crime and a violation of trademark and copyright laws. The unauthorized use of our name and logo is a direct infringement of our intellectual property rights. We are taking all necessary legal actions to address this issue and protect our brand. We have already reported these activities to the relevant authorities and are working closely with law enforcement to bring the perpetrators to justice. We appreciate the support of our members and the public in helping us combat this illegal activity. Please ensure that you are dealing with authorized representatives of the All Pakistan Nambadar Association and verify any information before engaging in any transactions. Together we can uphold the integrity of our organization and ensure that such fraudulent activities are stopped. Thank you for your attention and cooperation in this matter. APNA Registered President Raja Azmat Ali Kayani warns, "We will take legal action against anyone found using our name and trademark illegally. Our organization's reputation and credibility are at stake. We urge the public to be aware of these unauthorized activities and report any violations to us. Let us work together to protect our organization's integrity." Protecting our organization's legacy only on Nambadar TV.